What's going on, guys? I just wanted to make a video about some things that I do to prevent me from spending money. These are all things that I personally done myself, and I make this video because I'm tired. I'm tired of people spending money on stupid shit. So the first thing you can do right now is go on all your social media accounts and unfollow all the celebrities and companies that you follow. The reason for this is when you go on Instagram and you see people driving around Ferraris, Lambos, taking trips to Bora Bora, you subconsciously think, oh man, I wish I could do that kind of stuff. And maybe you can't afford Bora Bora and a Lamborghini, so maybe you'll go buy a new Range Rover or maybe that new Jeep pickup truck. And instead of going to Bora Bora, maybe you go, okay, maybe I'll take a trip to New York. And same goes for TV. Stop watching Selling Sunset and Keeping Up with the Kardashians, because for a vast majority of people, this isn't reality, this is fiction. Because in reality, you should be just focused on improving yourself and not worried about all these materialistic items. You should worry about improving yourself, how you treat others, developing high income skills, and stuff like that. You shouldn't be worried about what car you have and what clothes you dress up in. If you think about it, 20 years from now, you're not going to care about that kind of stuff. Next thing you could do is, whenever you feel like spending money, watch something on minimalism or watch a Dave Ramsey video. I don't agree with all the things that Dave Ramsey says, but a majority of the things he says are really true. And one of my favorite creators I like watching when it comes to being a minimalist is Joshua Becker. His videos are really short and to the point, and typically at the end I'm like, okay, maybe I don't need to buy that thing that I wanted, and maybe I do have everything I need. And the next thing you could do before spending money is think about that money in terms of how many times you had to listen to your boss moan, how many pointless meetings you had to go to, and even more powerful, how much time you had to spend away from your family just to earn that amount of money. Another way you could think of it is how many times you had to fake a smile just to please the customer and make your boss happy. Before I move on to the next one, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe if you want to learn more about personal finance and saving money. The next thing you could change is stop thinking that money is going to make you happy. Everyone knows money doesn't buy happiness. That's why they say it, but it's so true. The things that are going to make you happy is your healthy relationships, having a physically healthy body, and just living in the moment and not thinking about what's the next thing I need to buy or what is the next thing on my wish list. Next thing you could change is stop caring about what people think. If people are judging you on how you dress and what car you drive, they're either a middle schooler or a high schooler. Most people really just care about how you treat them and what kind of person you are. So none of that physical stuff really matters. Unless of course your physical appearance affects your job, like if you're a real estate agent or a lawyer and your customers judge you based on what you look like and what you drive. The next thing you could do is right before you buy something, just take a second to think and just close your eyes and think about what you have at the house. So if I want to buy a new pair of Nikes, I just think about, okay, how many other shoes do I have? Okay, I got the Air Max 97s, I got the Asics, I got the Converse. Okay, maybe I don't need a new pair of Nikes. I'll just wait until my other ones wear out and then I can buy a new one. And don't get into that money pit where you're like, okay, I have it in this color, but maybe I need the next color. Because most of the time there's like 10 different colors, so never do that. With that being said, guys, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.